What's going on, guys? My name is Quay and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about a simple ICT trading strategy that I've been doing some back testing, and I've been like going through my charts and picking out these trades. And yeah, this is fairly simple. This is for this is really beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner trader like me and you want to know a simple strategy that doesn't require a lot, well, this video will be for you. So without further ado, we're just going to jump right in the charts. As you can see, we have our midnight open, we have our kill zone, right? We have our daily low, and we have our daily high, and we have our fair value gap, and we have our entry. So I'm going to show you all of this is going to come together, guys. So you want to look for a Asian session range, right, where it shows you all the sessions and what time they're trading, right, what time they start. For this strategy, you want to have local New York time. You want to mark out your daily open, which is midnight local New York time. You want to mark out your kill zone, which is start from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York time. Okay, we have our daily. So before 7, you want to mark out your daily low and your daily high. So as you can see, these are marked out right here. So when the kill zone starts, which is 7 in the morning New York time, you want to be looking for your trade. So anything in these areas, you want to be looking for a setup, which is a breaker structure and a fair value gap, right? A breaker structure with displacement. As you can see, we have one right here. We have a liquidity sweep, which is a breaker structure, or we took out the low of the day and we rallied higher to take out the swing high, which is our breaker structure, right? As you can see, this is in our kill zone. This setup came in our kill zone, right? After we took out our swing high, which is our breaker structure, as you can see, we retrace back into our fair value gap. So that's where you want to be taking your entry, and that's where we would take your entry. We will put our stop loss just below the swing low, right, or the swing low, or we can put it below the candle that create the fair value gap. And for take profit, we can target our swing high, we can target here, right, or we can just go for the daily high, or we can target the swing high right here, right? So you can either swing for any one of these highs right here. So that's it, guys. It's fairly simple. All you need is just your midnight open, your kill zone. You want to mark out your daily high, your daily low, wait for liquidity sweep, wait for a breaker structure with displacement, which we got right here with all of these bullish candle, and you want to look for a retracement back into your fair value gap, and that's where you will take your entry, set a limit order, and for it to tap you in so we can make some good profit out of the market. We have another example, because I've been doing some back testing, so I just thought I'll share with you guys. That period that we were on was the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and the time that occurs was January 9, 2023. This pair that we're on the British pound, Japanese yen, and this setup occurs on January, what is this? January 10 as well, right? So this setup happened, these setup actually happened on the same days, January 10. So we have another example right now. We are on the British pound, Japanese yen. As you can see, we have our daily open, we have our kill zone. As you can see, we have our daily low, and our daily high, right? And as you can see, we came down and we took out the daily low, which happens twice, which is tapping into liquidity, right? We have our breaker structure with displacement. We came back down to tap into our fair value gap, and that's where you would take your entry, right? So it's fairly simple strategy that you can follow. This is beginner friendly. It's nothing, it's not rocket science. You just have to know what you're looking for on the chart, right? So I've seen this setup, and this is the way how I've been backtesting. I feel like this is a fairly simple way how you can start trading and start taking profit from the market. So that's it, guys. I just thought that I would share with you guys, and see these market plays out, all the algorithm work and such and so forth. But that's basically it for this video, guys. If you find any value from this video, I would consider you guys subscribing, because we have more valuable content coming on in the near future. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my further video. Peace.